if you guys haven't noticed, and I've been saying this for months, remember I said wait, prices will come down. I actually made a video about that almost a year and a half ago by now. So the 6500 XT was spotted on sale, 35% off MSRP at one of Germany's biggest online tech retailers, Mindfactory. Now, I've been told that this was something you could actually buy from other people that were in Germany. Like, this was a thing, and people actually did buy it. They successfully checked out. This might not be a good example of what's going on, but we could look at other things. It shows that the market is improving. GPUs are no longer flying off the shelf and don't have to just exist to sell. Since this time last year, if you go back exactly a year, GPU prices, they're still above MSRP unfortunately, are down nearly 25 to 50%, depending on what SKU and what model it is. So we've gone down a lot in a year. And, you know, yeah, I did say that it'd be down by the end of the previous year. Well, obviously, I was wrong. But, you know, no one's going to watch this video and see that I was wrong, so I'm just going to leave it at that. I'll just say that they're going to continue to go down, guys. There's this thing I call market saturation with a non-consumable product, okay? So if you make something that people want that's not a consumable, like it's not food, it's not gasoline, right? Eventually, the amount of stuff out there is going to be done. For example, this is a kind of a famous small thing. There's this company that used to make ramps for wiener dogs. Like literally a ramp so they could get on and off the couch, right? Well, eventually, everyone that has a wiener dog is going to either have a ramp or won't want one. It does not matter how much advertising you do. There's only so many wiener dogs in the world, right? Very niche. I know I'm kind of getting off topic, but trust me, I'm going somewhere with this. So just like with that, with GPUs, everyone that wants one is eventually going to either have one or have access to one. And the fact that you couldn't get one caused more inflation, wanting, you know, people wanting more, right? So now that they're becoming more readily available, like go to EVGA right now, okay? If you don't believe me, go right now. If you're watching this later, go right now and go to the GPUs, click in stock. There's GPUs in stock, ready to buy right this second. Go to Newegg, you can buy them right now. That wasn't like that almost, you know, this is like recent, it's only within the last couple of weeks. A month ago, it wasn't like that. So it's coming down a lot. A lot of people speculate that this may be because of that, that well-known decentralized Ponzi scheme known as cryptocurrency, the mining profitability down drastically. Well, that may be true, but let me show you something that's going to probably throw that out of the water a little bit. If you go look at the average market price for something that they call a LHR card, and if you don't know what LHR is, it stands for light hash rate. It's NVIDIA's little face-saving measure to make more money, to appeal to the gamers. So essentially, a 3070 LHR of the same model and a 3070 non-LHR are roughly equivalent in price within a couple of percent, under 10%. It's like $50 to $100 more. Now you might be saying, Tech Shinji, but the hash rate's almost, 30% difference. So no, I'm telling you guys, most people that want cards are still not those people that do that blockchain, deep machine learning stuff, right? A lot of gamers out there, a lot of normal people. That is the majority of the market, okay? It's gamers first, then miners second. That's still the market. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's not the way it is. Go look up any numbers you want to find, okay? Yes, miners may be hoarding them or whatever, but that's still only maybe 30-40% of the market. Now, when you get into gamers that are also miners, that's where things change. Anyways, what I'm trying to get at is that the prices are coming down. One of the reasons why the prices went up in the first place, we had the perfect storm, okay? We had the human malware, we had the lack of supply, we had the increased demand, and we had the increased market. All those came together in a very short period of time. If any one of these things were to happen individually, it wouldn't have affected the market as much. And of course, yes, the price of the decentralized Ponzi scheme did go up, and that did add to the demand. But it's going down. There's even, okay, this is something I haven't been able to verify. I've been trying to look it up. There's even unconfirmed reports that NVIDIA is also reducing They're prices to AIB partners. This has not been independently verified, so you should still be considered a rumor. But it would make sense to me because AIBs are probably like, yeah, hi, our name is Gigabyte, and the crap we made isn't selling anymore. So, yeah, we're gonna have to reduce those prices, please. But yeah, it's they're coming down, guys. They're definitely coming down. Andrew and Vega, either one of you guys want to comment on that? Then we'll go into the closing portion of the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, Vega.
Yeah, I mean they're coming down dramatically. RTX 3080 Founders Editions were selling for $2,200 to $2,000. They're now around $1,200 to $1,300. 3060 Ti and 3070s were anywhere from $1,200 to $1,400 depending on the model. They're now down to around $1,000 or less. Some of them around $850. Don't go and buy everything. I'm looking at it right now. I want to get some. No, I'm joking. But these markets, not just GPUs, cars, tires, everything has been impacted because of the global situation, human malware and otherwise. You know, we still got ships that are off the coast of California that are still unloading or being unloaded, that some of the supply is coming from, and then these retailers or resellers are getting them and trying to sell them. The scalpers are getting oversaturated, right? Now they got a closet full of GPUs they didn't want in the first place. They were trying to make a quick buck, and now it's not as profitable as it used to be. So they're turning around and selling it for cheaper. You got the secondhand market. Somebody finally got a graphics card that they've been hunting for years, and so they want to sell their secondhand GPU. So you're seeing the 2000 series, 2060 KO, 2080 Ti, all those prices going down. It's having a chain effect, and it's a blessing. But I personally believe it's just going to get better. I really think that the price is going to dip down even further. It may pick back up, considering the conversation about neon gas, but we'll have to wait and see. So, I mean, over the next couple months, if you see yourself a good deal and you're a gamer that's still rocking a 760, you know, and you got the funds, go ahead and upgrade.
Real quick, guys, I'm just gonna, some of you guys seem to be thinking I'm making this up. I'm gonna do something live right now, and you guys will see that I am, sorry, I don't have this set up for Serpent and Vega, so I'm, Serpent, Vega, and Andrew, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. So, you guys, I just transitioned. I'm live on EVGA's website right this second, okay? Look, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Yeah. Come on, guys. That is a super. In stock, add to cart. I could put 2 in my cart right this second. I'm not going to do that, obviously, but, you know. Just saying.
Yeah, I even saw the 3090 drop down in price as well, and found it on Newegg for cheaper too. So that's awesome. I did check EVGA and I confirm these GPUs are available.
Yeah, so I'm just saying, guys, that doesn't mean go out and buy them. My non-financial advice, professional opinion, whatever you want to call it, would be to wait. Chill out and wait. Trust me, just wait 1 more month to see how things go, because I believe we're in the 2018 timeline. So just chill. Just chill.
Wait, we went back in time? What happened?
We're in the 2018 timeline on GPU pricing.
Quick, buy my 1080 Ti.
Before it's too late.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys are followers of the podcast, you'll know what happened to my farm. And I'll just say, hey, I don't want to be a jerk, but I told you so. Prices were going down. You could buy 3090s under MSRP now. You know, just saying.